business of building multiple units over and over again. Being able to utilize the engineering horsepower that ATS provides with the ability to then improve design, improve efficiencies throughout the process to leverage cost-saving initiatives and design value effort to be able to execute that based on your schedule or your capital expenditures so that we're able to provide solutions at any scale to the customers that need them.
So the concept of the machine that builds the machine is not that we're selling a particular off-the-shelf solution. We're selling a customized solution to the customer's spec. Essentially, what we're doing is we're taking what the customer's workflow is, what their current instrumentation is, what their needs are, and we're tailoring a solution for them. So that machine that builds the machine, once we've tailored that solution, we can then reproduce that as needs scale up.
So within a current lab where you're going to have multiple logos on multiple different types of equipment to support your process, where ATS can come in and we can find ways to integrate all those together. So as opposed to in your traditional lab where you're scanning products from A to B, we're able to augment that by using some of our core technologies like SuperTrack, our Illuminate technology, to really enhance the data strategy for the customer and alleviate the repetitive strain that is going to be going on within your lab, where people are having to move product from point A to point B, which results in the risk of errors, misplaced samples. With our solutions, we can integrate it. We can kind of really take chain of custody of those samples and then provide an end-to-end solution. Going from that current manual process into an expanded automated process, there's always the risk of trying to adapt the process needs. The barriers is typically either your capital costs, driving that right return on investment. So it's more on moving the samples than it is actually the processing of the samples. So we try to keep the core process the same and really just alleviate the material handling processes, because it really comes down to the repetitive nature and/or you can't currently meet your demands because of your constraint on people or facilities. We're able to kind of adapt that and shrink it down into something that's much more manageable.
When choosing a reliable lab automation partner, you want to choose one with a proven quality system, with a continuous improvement culture, leveraging years of experience and best practices, with processes that are focused on defect prevention as well as high yielding equipment performances.
The point that we're going for here, if we're able to take your solution and either modify or change it to better suit what you're looking for, with our RAM automation solution, we're able to capture that and then execute it over either a longer period of time or identify key timeframes in which you need more deliveries of more units, and then build our process around that to help you meet your business goals.
So when you're processing a lot of samples, your reproducibility and accuracy could encounter variability. And in laboratory processes, variability is not good. So utilizing automation, you are drastically diminishing that variability across the board. One way to really know that your investment in automation is paying back is leveraging ATS Illuminate, which is a Internet of Things processing software that can in real time monitor your efficiency of your instrumentation in the laboratory. So you can manage your operational equipment efficiency and develop a metric from that and see how much that your instrumentation is getting utilized and how optimally it is getting utilized.
Customers pick ATS and ATS RAM for a specific reason. One, we are one of the largest systems integrators. We've been around since 1978, so well over 45 years of experience. So we are proven to be the right solution. We're a very bankable company, traded on both the Toronto Stock Exchange, New York Stock Exchange. We're going to be here for the long haul. We have 7,000 people across the world. We are the right choice. So we have got a great on-time delivery success. probably well over 99.9% on-time delivery. Our first-time quality is very high, making sure that we build the quality into the process so that we can deliver the right results to our customer. And our third thing really comes down to driving value. So whether it be through our value engineering process or working with our engineering supply chain organizations to really, provide a year-over-year cost reduction to our customer. Please come to Cambridge, come look at our innovation facilities, look at the investments we're making on trying to solve problems before they actually happen. Embrace the opportunities over the years, and we've really driven lessons learned on programs to continue to improve year over year.